Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best beauty products to keep you looking fabulous. Today, we're diving into the Kiss Gel Fantasy Ready-to-Wear Gel Nails in the stunning, Aim High style, widely regarded as the best short black press-on nails. If you're tired of spending hours at the nail salon or dealing with chipping polish, this DIY solution is for you. These nails are a game-changer when it comes to quick and easy manicures. With their gel shine and ultra-smooth finish, they provide a professional, salon-quality look without the hassle. The Aim High set comes with 28 press-on nails, perfect for customizing your look to fit your style. Whether you're attending a special event or just want a polished look every day, these nails have you covered. They're incredibly easy to apply. Simply choose your size, apply the adhesive tabs or glue, press on the nails, and you're done. No LED light is required, and they last up to 7 days without chipping or smudging. One of the standout features of these nails is the flexibility and durability they offer. They're designed to be safe on natural nails, and they won't cause any damage, making them a perfect choice for anyone who loves a flawless manicure. If you want even more longevity, you can grab the Kiss PowerFlex Nail Glue, which is sold separately, for a super strong hold. If you're someone who loves staying on top of the latest nail trends, Kiss is known for offering a variety of shapes, lengths, and colors to suit any occasion. The Aim High style brings you a bold and elegant design that will catch anyone's eye. Plus, these nails come with everything you need: the nails themselves, adhesive tabs, gel glue, a manicure stick, and a nail file. It's a full set, ready for you to wear in minutes. The Kiss Gel Fantasy nails are all about convenience without compromising on quality. Whether you're heading to work or out for a night on the town, you'll have that perfect manicure every time. It's time to save time, money, and energy with this simple solution that gives you flawless nails at home. So, if you want a manicure that's quick, durable, and incredibly stylish, the Kiss Gel Fantasy Ready-to-Wear Gel Nails are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the best beauty products.